Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste. I just want to say Happy New Year to all of y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have had a good holiday season. I hope your new year is everything you want it to be and more. And I'm so excited to go into a new decade with you guys and just continue to be a part of your journeys and have you be a part of mine. Today I'm going to give you my 30-month Sisterlock update. I know I'm well overdue for an update. In my last video I told you guys that this past semester was busy for me, and I just didn't get around to filming the way that I wanted to film. Last time you guys seen my hair, I was like going through a whole thing with it. It was green, it was red, it was both. And then I dyed it to this color that it is now. You guys know, if you watch my last video, which I will link here, that I really didn't have a choice in dyeing my hair red, because what happened was I did some stupid, like, try to lighten my hair with vitamin C pill, crushed up vitamin C pills, thinking that it was gonna get the green undertone out of my hair. It didn't work. It only got greener, and so the only thing that would neutralize the green was red. I was hoping that the red was gonna turn it brown, but what happened was it just ended up turning it like red, like pretty much red. And I think that was because of the red that I used. It wasn't, what I should have used was like a dark brown with like red base, but I used like a bright red just to ensure that it would actually come out the color that it was supposed to. I've had my fun with my color. I'm ready to go back to black and just stay there. But because I noticed that some pieces are turning blonde, I'm a little nervous because I don't want to dye it black and then those pieces that are blonde end up turning green again. Like, I would literally cut my hair off. Like, it would drive me nuts. I self-retied starting in the beginning of December, but I didn't finish. As you can see, the middle is still very fuzzy, and that's just because, like, y'all, I have so many locks. I just get to it when I get to it. But I haven't lost any locks thus far. Otherwise my hair is, I think, otherwise doing pretty good. I think it's a little dry in the areas where the dye is. So I'm going to deep condition, and hopefully that makes it not as dry. I deep conditioned with something that wasn't beautiful textures. I can't remember what it was, but it didn't moisturize my hair like the beautiful textures does. So I bought enough of that to like kind of carry me over for a while. So I'm gonna deep condition with the beautiful textures and see if that takes away the dryness. Something else I learned during the time that y'all last saw me is that this is a 3-week-old braid out, which my braid outs never last as long, like ever. Like, they never last as long, and it's because I used mousse this time. If your locks are settled, I would suggest that you want your braid outs to last long, I would suggest using mousse. I actually used them. I went to a natural hair meetup. Hey Kathy, if you're watching this, and there was a product swap there, and one of the products I received was mousse, and so that is pretty much what I used on my hair. If your hair is not settled, I would definitely not suggest using it because it's gonna create slippage and it's probably just gonna be a nightmare. I've kind of been going through this thing where I've like wanted to combine my locks. I've even thought about cutting my hair like completely off and just going back to loose natural, which none of those things, they were just like feelings. I don't think I'll actually do them, but yeah, that's just kind of where I am as far as my growth is concerned. And one thing I do try to keep in mind as far as like my hair and like knowing that it's growing is my baby locks, because I think my baby locks used to be like up here and now they're like down here. Like, these are all the locks on the edges. That's pretty long for like edge locks. I think this is the lock that I combined. It's doing well. The pattern seems to be going away because I have a hard time finding it. But I would say that it's merged completely because I couldn't pick this apart if I wanted to, and it doesn't really look different than the other ones. I mean, you can kind of see the pattern, but like y'all can't see it. I think I will feel a little bit better once I get back to the color that I want to get back to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comment section below. Where are you in your hair journey? Where are you in your life journey? You know, what's been up? What is something you're looking forward to in the new year in 2020? It's a whole new decade, y'all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.